Hello guys, today we're gonna be unboxing the 75-year anniversary of the Zippo Car. It's a 2023 collectible of the year. It's been long since we made a video. So this is how the lighter comes into. The code is 48691. And let's open the box. Trying to do everything with one hand here. So this is what the lighter comes in. Comes with a specialty card, 10,000 pieces. Swarovski crystal. The serial number in the back, 2023. This lighter is amazing in the outside. It's finished in black ice, but is also amazing inside. Has a gold insert, Saint Zippo on the chimney. Stay tuned, we're going to be making more videos with more limited edition lighters. Thank you for watching.